Good morning, YouTube. It's me, Queen Asha. Dami Pooh. And we got Tay. And we got Barbs with her long bonnet on. But yes, day 3. We're up late, you know. We're not in a rush right now. We're kind of chilling. We got these snitch bees under us. Oh wait, take two. Okay, so obviously I'm getting my days mixed up. This is day 3 for me and Barb's because we've been here since Sunday. Yeah, I don't know my days going, but just know we still having fun. And this is the start to another day, and we don't know what we're doing today. We're supposed to go on a picnic. Stuff might just change. You know, we're gonna go with the flow of things and call it a day. But yeah, good morning. Chris Brown's body. So as y'all can see, it's a rainy day. We're picking up some food from Buffalo Wild Wings. It's gonna be a chill day for us today. Y'all, so I'm dressed like it's sunny out today, but it's rainy. But I still look cute or whatever. Got it going on. We got our BBW. Wait, BWW. I said that all wrong. B-Dub. We got all kinds of wings and fries. We're ready to eat. Right? That's what I got. My bad, y'all. My bad.
So today,
Oh my God.
Asha is now going to chug for drink. This is Barbs and Dami taking over her YouTube for now. And she's gonna go in
Chug this
5.
Go ahead.
5.
Oh my God, this is a lot.
Come on, Asha. Y'all see what she about to do. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Yes, drink, girl, drink.
Oh.
Yes. Take it to the head. Yes, Asha, yes.
Woo! Is it all gone? Yes. Cup is empty.
Yes. Okay, Asha.
Cut it off.
Cut the stick.
And we're
Cut this popsicle stick. Look at this drink. Isn't this the cutest little drink?
Oh, you
ever?
gotta take my picture.
Come on. And look at our Bacardi bucket. It looks so delicious. Just another night in a bar, of course. Just so beautiful. So you guys, this drink is amazing. She loves her coconut drink. And this Bacardi, hold on, let me see. This Bacardi bucket is the freaking bomb. Like, I told her this the devil right here. The devil trying to get us tonight. Not tonight though. Okay. We about to chug the rest of this down, so. My face all squinched up. We're back at Walmart once again. I think Walmart's a daily trip for us here. But this time we get to bring Dami to the liquor store.
I get to see the infamous liquor store.
The infamous, the ultimate infamous liquor store. Yo, what is this? Is this a semi truck or a pickup truck? Like, I'm confused. I'm confused right now. Y'all tell me what y'all think this is. Let me get y'all a better view. Y'all see that? Go to the wrong part of the airport.
just keep straight. Fucking hate airport.
Mad or big mad? Say, where are you going?
I was like arriving. Wait.
She needs more ice. Y'all, we go ahead and prepping these Jello shots for tomorrow night. Our fun little girls' nights. So it's gonna be lovely. So thanks you guys for tuning into my video. I know we really did not do a lot today, But that's cool. We needed like a chill out day. So right now we just winding down. Barb's made us some margaritas. So I'm sipping on that. But if y'all can, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that, all of that. I really appreciate that. And with that being said, thanks for tuning in to day 3. If I'm saying that correctly, day 3. And we'll check y'all out tomorrow. Peace, love, and happiness. I'm out.